remember that Jamaica Mr. Liberty for the TV. It grieves me. The policeman killed 2 black youth. And you then retaliate that. But you know, we don't want that. We don't want nobody killing nobody. We want everybody to live like one. Unity, peace, and love. So we just tell the final truth. Tell us it's Sky Juice again. And love for you. And good respect. Big up my wife for Jamaica, Sister Dolly. Shanice, the daughter of a queen, enough respect. Sadiq, anyway, they're not Georgia, the big up. See, beauty, that's what the friend of you have, Anna. That's the last truth. So, I think they're lying, they're worried. What do you have for science? You don't understand. No disrespect. You have somebody no disrespect woman and disrespect people that can't play song. I'm a professional selector and I love them. Father Ethan King of this. Say mighty crown, enough respect. Harris and Chain, nice everybody show you. Big up, love them. And I respect reggae music. Straight up. You see me? They have a man at 2 man per stage. People tell you something want to do. And they run Jamaica and come there thing. They have locked down the world. Come in, they have the most girl.
We're not wait for time flying. Big up yourself, Sky Juice. Big up Metro Media every time, say. Well, you can't big up no more, because you're bigger. Big man, tell you, hold on. Big up. Alright. So, ladies and gentlemen, remember the t-shirt, them, you know. Go for them. Go for them, you know. Purchase your Irish and shit. Yeah, man. And then my Southwest t-shirt is also on sale. Johnny, big up Irish and we're trying to make up some goals, right? You see right now? Right now. That's how we love dancehall, you know. Yeah. Because dancehall have some sound with them clips, yeah, uptown sound. But you see them sound here? Prove themselves to be a world sound. Yeah. Representing true dancehall. Yeah. So you hear me? I tell you, ladies and gentlemen, sound press. Big up the brethren from the same high school, you know. Never run the thing, you know. Alright. So, we're going to introduce the sound press right now, ladies and gentlemen. Out of the Renaissance family. Make some noise for Jazzy T.
Renaissance, take away your life, cause you're full of hype. You can't pay another night to get it out your mind. You need to get out of sight, cause Jazzy T's a real star. It started off as a simple competition, run okay sound in any situation. Me just thinking about the crew and Jazzy playing makes me feel so high.
Check, give me some volume, partner.
Renaissance couldn't help but hurt them. Number one, Jazzy T took us somewhere.
Everybody wearing it.
People out that door. Someone.
Never like a joke. We have to big up everybody now. Sky Juice. People, call apart an intermission. Let me just play this. Everyone Sky Juice going on road. Big up Sky Juice. Because Sky Juice perform good. But anyway, this is the Renaissance. I'm going to tell you something. I have a little issue to address. But let me play some tune first and then address the issue. Big up everybody in New York who endorse Renaissance over the years. Because we are one of the baddest songs, we're underrated. Play that tune then.
Fire! It's Renaissance in full flight. Tires rider, out rider, I mean I say I'm judgment. Just tell me this is the affection.